Alright, so I reworked the bottom of the forge, and I got this sewer grate in here. Come on. With a pipe. And the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, there's three 45 degrees galvanized 1.5-inch elbows coming up. Now I'm thinking, with that sewer grate being cast, has a melting temperature of about 1800 degrees, it should work just fine. Now, the elbows are down here. They're just loose fit in, duct taped around to this pipe here. And then this pipe connects to this one, which has my airflow, which connects to my vacuum, or airflow. Now here's the leftover coal that I got from the past times and this morning. I cut down a small fire, or not fire, but a propane tank, and it's a lot thicker. You see the wall's thickness there. And it easily fits a can inside of it. So, hopefully that works. And here's some of the scrap aluminum that melted, so you can see it got hot enough to actually melt and then run. What I did is it went through that pipe, or the cover I had on it, which was tin. No. So, reworked this thing, Home Depot, spent a little bit of money, and hopefully this works. So here's how I started it last time. Hopefully it works this time. Take some cardboard, put it on top so it's more substantial source to burn. Kind of trying to make a dome out of it. Hopefully I can get it lit as quickly as I did this morning.
Not like that. You got it. Turn your...
There we go. I'll move this away. Now, this is gonna go up and it's gonna get real smoky real quick. Oh yeah. What I'm gonna do real quick, add my coal right to the edges of it. get the fire going, the flames get running real hot, pour the coal on top, and hopefully there's enough tinder underneath so you can catch the coal. Oh. There's a lot more air going through this too. It looks like the coal pot. Alright, you can shut it off. Nope, not gonna catch. Start a fire. Oh yeah, I think it caught. Yep. See right here? So it definitely caught. I just have to let it heat up. Now, because we'll put the lid on. So I can actually build up the temperature on the inside. That's the easiest way I know how to start a coal forge, because you can tell. It took 3 attempts, but I got it started. See that? It's cold wood. Now you take it off. Stir it around a little bit. So you can make sure everything gets heated up. We're good. Let that get hot. And with it being pretty much the double thickness of the one earlier today, I'm hoping it doesn't melt through. Hoping. I've got to wait till it gets like glowing hot or red, then I can start putting the aluminum cans in it. Once the aluminum cans start melting, I can start putting the other aluminum in it to get it to melt down. Very hot.
So why don't you use the ones Mom gave you?
I think it'd be the same with those.
Those are meant for oven temperatures.
And I grab directly on the edges. Right. Right down in there. See how it's glowing red hot down in there? Now we're ready to start. Oh wow! You see that? Oh. Keep feeding the dragon. Toss in some of my old aluminum. So it definitely got hot, real hot. Melted off the end of my crucible. Again. Which means I'm going to have to try something else. Which means I might actually have to break down and buy a real crucible. But it got hot, and it got hot quickly. Just, it got too hot for what this can could handle here. Well, thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures again. And let's go on an adventure and learn something.